Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this video, we're going to take a look at the vmstat command that reports on virtual memory usage. It provides stats on memory, paging, block I/O, traps, disks, and CPU activity. So here's an example of running vmstat. And you can see we have a lot of data there with the overall headings and the individual column headings and then the data. If you run the vmstat with the -AD options, you see information on disk activity, such as we see here. And again, we see the disks and the reads and the writes all as separate areas, and then the individual stats are mentioned here and all the data. Well, that is your Linux tip for the vmstat command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.